Shoulder stand on P-bars. Shoulder stands are an essential calisthenic skill used in the journey towards handstand push-ups and advanced ring routines. Once you've mastered the open tuck shoulder stand, you're ready to start training the full shoulder stand. Set the P-bars to be shoulder width apart. Start with the arms and legs straight and the shoulders stacked vertically above the hands. As you bend the arms and lower the shoulders down towards the P-bars, I recommend taking them forward of the hands to create a larger base of support. Often beginners will place the shoulders close to the hands, and this is a big mistake as it makes the balance much harder to hold. It's important to note that during the shoulder stand, the body is not vertical. There is a slight angle which is transferable to the shoulder stand on the rings and the bottom position of the handstand push-up. Keep your legs straight as you bend the elbows and take the shoulders forward and down. Do not allow the elbows to flare out to the sides. It will be helpful if you can pinch your triceps into the sides of the torso, as this creates a strong and stable base to work from. Notice that the forearms are perpendicular to the floor. The elbows are stacked vertically above the wrists. If you don't yet have the strength to hold the shoulders above the P-bars in the shoulder stand, you can rest the shoulders on the P-bars. As strength and balance improves, you can work to keep the shoulders above the P-bars. Looking down at the floor will allow you to establish more stability in the shoulder stand. Find a focal point. Next, lift the feet off the floor and pull your heels towards your butt. It's essential that you keep the inside edge of the feet and knees together, as this creates tension in the lower body and increases your ability to control the shoulder stand. First, you must move to the open tuck shoulder stand by slowly moving the thighs away from the torso while keeping the knees bent and stacking your heels above your glutes. Continue to lift the thighs until your back is flat and the hips are stacked in a vertical line above the wrists and elbows. From here, you will need to focus on extending the hips and knees at the same speed. Try to imagine the line of the shoulder stand and that your heels are moving along this line as you straighten the legs. If the knees extend faster than the hips, or the hips extend faster than the knees, you will struggle to hold the shoulder stand for very long. Once the legs are straight, you want to contract your quads to lock the knees and contract your glutes to extend the hips and increase midline tension. You will need to make sure the forearms stay perpendicular to the floor and that the shoulders are forward of your wrists. If you move the shoulders towards the wrists, the angle of the shoulder stand will change and the chances of falling over backwards will increase. Notice that the torso is not vertical. We have a slight angle. Keep pushing down into the P-bars and squeezing the elbows inwards as you hold the shoulder stand for the prescribed time. Next, reverse the movement by flexing the knees and hips at the same speed to return to the advanced tuck shoulder stand before bringing the feet to the floor.